Menopausal diet. It is a well known fact that as one approaches menopause, the metabolism slows down due to whatever hormonal changes that happens within the body. This is one of the root cause of weight gain during menopause. With the knowledge that the metabolism slows down, it is sensible to cut down the intake of food by at least half the quantity. Unfortunately, all the hormonal changes also have an effect on the mind and emotions. Many women become depressed, moody, irritable, melancholic, etc. during menopause. And the easiest escape route to these emotional roller coaster is eating. So most women end up eating more than what they used to eat instead of cutting down the food by half. It is very important to understand this aspect of menopause so that corrective measures can be done with awareness. How can homeopathy help? Most of these emotional outbursts that happen due to the hormonal imbalance can be corrected with the homeopathic medication. There are medicines in homeopathy for the following: mood swings during menopause, irritability during menopause, increased appetite during menopause, sleepless during menopause, VP during menopause, and so on. Once these emotions are controlled, then the craving and the urge to eat will also settle down. Take care.